Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the GPU battlefield, exploring how Nvidia, AMD, and Intel stack up in gaming, professional content creation, and AI. Over the next 7 minutes, we'll break down performance, features, and value so you can decide which GPU suits your needs. Graphics processing units, or GPUs, have evolved from basic renderers to powerhouse engines for gaming and artificial intelligence. While Nvidia and AMD have long dominated the discrete GPU market, Intel's recent entry with its Arc series is shaking things up. Today's discussion focuses on each brand's strengths, from cutting-edge AI upscaling to cost-effective performance, so you can make an informed decision. Let's start with Nvidia, the leader in high-performance GPUs. Nvidia's RTX series has redefined real-time ray tracing, delivering lifelike lighting and reflections in games. With features like DLSS, deep learning supersampling, Nvidia uses AI to boost resolution and frame rates without sacrificing performance. This combination makes their GPUs ideal for gamers and professionals alike. Additionally, Nvidia's CUDA platform has built a vast ecosystem that supports AI research, video editing, and scientific computing. It's no wonder that Nvidia commands a dominant share in data centers and high-end gaming. Next up is AMD, renowned for offering strong performance at a competitive price. AMD's Radeon RX series delivers excellent rasterization performance along with generous amounts of VRAM, a key benefit for high-resolution and memory-intensive applications. This extra memory can future-proof your system and deliver smoother gameplay. AMD also champions open standards with FreeSync technology, ensuring seamless visuals without being tied into expensive proprietary solutions. While their ray tracing and upscaling tech, namely Fidelity FX Super Resolution, might sometimes lag behind Nvidia's DLSS, AMD's recent improvements have narrowed that gap significantly. Finally, let's talk about Intel. Although long known for its integrated graphics, Intel is now making bold strides into the discrete GPU market with its Arc series. Intel's new Battlemage cards target the budget segment while promising competitive performance in 1440p gaming and creative workloads. With features like their upgraded XSS upscaling technology, Intel aims to offer an alternative that balances cost with performance. However, as a newcomer, Intel is still working to build a robust ecosystem and smooth out driver issues that have affected earlier products. Their journey is just beginning, but early benchmarks show promise. So, how do these giants compare? Performance and features: Nvidia shines in ray tracing and AI-assisted upscaling with DLSS, making it perfect for high-end gaming and professional applications. AMD offers robust rasterization performance and extra VRAM for a lower price, ideal for value seekers and gamers alike. Intel, meanwhile, is emerging as a cost-effective option, delivering competitive performance in select scenarios while still maturing its ecosystem. Software ecosystems: Nvidia's CUDA and continuous driver support have created a vast developer community, while AMD's open standards and FreeSync appeal to users who favor flexibility. Intel is rapidly developing its software suite with XeSS, promising future enhancements. Price and efficiency: Nvidia's top-tier GPUs come at a premium, but they lead in performance. AMD strikes a balance between cost and capability, and Intel positions itself as the budget-friendly alternative in discrete graphics. In conclusion, the GPU war is far from settled. Nvidia continues to push technological boundaries, AMD offers excellent value with robust performance, and Intel is quickly establishing itself in the discrete market. Your choice will ultimately depend on your specific needs, whether you're a hardcore gamer, a creative professional, or an AI enthusiast. Let us know in the comments which brand you prefer and why. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and share your thoughts below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.